Guerrilla Trading Basecamp. Guerrilla Trading Basecamps will be a series of videos which will provide our members a foundation to trade the Forex market safely and to become consistently profitable. Now, while watching the content, we would highly recommend that you take notes. We would also love you to join our online community where you will have many experienced traders always willing to help and answer any of your questions that you may ask. Also, when reviewing the content, we would like you to do it 3 times. The first time, just watch the content through. The second time, we would like you to watch it and take notes. Now, we always advise taking notes because you always remember things more when you write them down. We would also like you to watch it a 3rd time. And once you watch this, we would like you then to refine the notes you've already taken. What is Forex? Forex is the buying and selling of currencies. Now, what a lot of people don't realize is that Forex is 200 times bigger than the stock market. And another benefit is that it's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Now, approximately only 5% of the Forex market is traded by retail traders. The rest is traded by major institutions. Now, you might ask, what is a retail trader? Well, a retail trader is a trader like you and me that are trading normally your own funds, and you're trading from home and you're not working for a major company. Now, a major institutions such as Goldman Sachs, Banks of Japan, Bank of England, Barclays, Lloyds, they are the ones that take up 95% of the Forex market. Now, at Guerrilla, what we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to trade the Forex market safely and how to become consistently profitable. Currency pairs. Currency pairs are made up of letters. The first 2 letters indicate the country and the 3rd indicates the currency. Now, if you think about the Australian dollar, the letters are AUD. AU stands for Australia and D stands for dollar. It's the same with the Great British Pound. The symbol is GBP. GB stands for Great Britain and P stands for pound. As you can see here, there is a chart here of the major pairs. And what we've done is we've shown you the nickname because a lot of traders refer to currency pairs as nicknames. For example, you have the New Zealand dollar, which is known as the Kiwi. You will have, for example, the US dollar CAD is known as the Loonie. So we would like you to familiarize yourself with these nicknames because you will hear these terms a lot within the Forex market. Cross pairs, and what do I mean by that? Well, there are 8 major pairs, and what you can do is you can trade each one of those against each other. So as you can see, that will total up around 28 pairs. So for example here, you can have the Aussie versus the CAD, you can have the Aussie versus the Swiss franc, and so forth. And by doing this, you can trade any currency pair against another. What is a pip? A pip is the 4th decimal point which shows the exchange rate between 2 currency pairs. Now, it is a unit of measure that shows a small movement of the market when it either moves up 1 pip or moves down 1 pip. So every time the market moves up or it moves down, it normally moves in 1 pip increments. So for example, if you think about the euro US dollar and you wanted to short it at 1.1100, and then the next day or a few hours later, price has moved down to 1.1000. Now, how do you know how to work this out? Well, let's work it out. If you look at 1.1100 and you take